Okay, today's stretch is a pigeon pose stretch, similar to what you would have in yoga. But we add resistance, and we do this a little different than how yoga does it. We actually add a lot of resistance. We do not bring our head to the floor or think of this as a relaxation pose, but more like a push-up with your legs. It's kind of cool. So you'll bring your right leg to the front, your left leg behind, in pigeon pose, in a place that feels good to you. I like to have my leg in this angle. If you were in yoga class, sometimes they have you like bring this leg all the way to the front. To me, that does not feel stable and safe for my hips. So I'm not gonna do that, and you don't have to either, okay? From here, see how I'm upright? I'm gonna activate my legs by trying to squeeze them in like this. So I'm trying to squeeze my knees together, and that gives me the strength and stability to actually come up and not touch the ground. Then, if I feel safe, hi, Surrey. Oh, she brought us a toy. Go get it. I can go up and down into what we call a pigeon push-up. Okay, so I come up and then down. See how my chest is up and my back's a little rounded? That's where this name pigeon pose comes from, because pigeons don't look like this. Pigeons look like this. They're like, whoo, right? That's a pigeon. So get your pigeon chest out, get your head forward, and find this up and down from your legs. Now, if you want a deeper stretch in this one, keep your resistance, and we can add some fascia by just rolling from one side to the other. That's a really nice way to get some fascia stretch. And then also, you can come up onto your back toe and point and flex your foot. That's going to take you a little deeper into this stretch too. Now, for this one, you can do it with, being in this position. That's going to add a lot of resistance, but I like to use my hands for this. Just have a little more control to feel a little safer. All right, let's switch sides. Before we do, quick note. If you are having trouble with this stretch at all, if this feels bad for your knees, then don't do it. This is the wrong stretch for you. But I do have a video. It's the abductor problem solving video. It's right over my head right now. That one would be super helpful for you. So skip this stretch. Don't hurt yourself. Try that video. It's going to help to unlock some of these muscles and see if you can find an answer for you. Okay, let's do the other side. Bring your left leg in front and your right leg behind. And try to scissor both legs, so you're trying to pull your knees together like this. See if you can find enough strength to lift your hands up, and then just very slowly up and down, like you're doing push-ups with your legs. Keep your pigeon chest up, and find that stretch right here through the glute in the left side. And again, if you want to take it a little further, you can rotate back and forth to find that fascia stretch. And you can also point and flex your foot. Remember, if it doesn't feel good, don't do it, okay? Just don't even bother. It's not worth it. You just go back and forth. All right, friends, that's all I've got for today. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do that. It's the greatest thing you can do. Give me a thumbs up if you like this stretch, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.